Attempts by court through their lawyers Anthony Oluoch and Haron Dubi to block the case from proceeding to full trial were thwarted after Judge Joseph Onguto ruled they have a case to answer and ordered the case to begin on the 29th of this month. The judge ruled that the court has jurisdiction to hear and determine cases where rights are violated, adding that the Constitution does not stop the court from awarding damages if there is evidence to prove a case. Court in the preliminary objections had argued the petitioners did not produce documentation showing the respondents as responsible for the burning of the vehicle. Agnes Oshera, a business lady and Prime Transcity Sacco, is seeking compensation following the torching of her bus during anti-IEBC protest. Separately, former Mwananchi Group Limited CEO Richard Alden, who pleaded not guilty to murder charges following the death of Grace Wachira at his home in Karen, will remain in police custody. This is after his bail application case was set for the 30th of June 2016. Alden has been in custody since the 4th of June. And more than 100,000 tea workers have reason to celebrate after the Employment and Labor Relations Court awarded them a 30% pay increase. High Court Judge Moni Kambaru reviewed the collective bargaining agreement for the year 2014-2020 after the union disagreed with the Kenya Tea Growers Association and Unilever Tea Limited to offer them an increment of between 1 to 2%.
We are pleased to announce that the court has heard our argument, has heard our pleas, and has been able to factor in that workers suffered the erosion of purchasing powers caused by inflation and other economic factors, and awarded us a 30% to salary increase, which is going to be applied for the year 2014 and 2015.
Elsewhere, 3 police officers found with 24,000 shillings, 840, believed to be acquired through bribes, pleaded not guilty to 2 counts of bribery before a Kisii court. The trio, Patrick Mumo, John Kipsang, and Veronica Leoro, were arrested by ESCC officers on 11th of June 2016 along the Kisii-Kilgoris Highway. They were released on bond of 200,000 shillings or a cash bail of 50,000 shillings each. The case will be heard on July 4th, 2016. Lilian Otieno for Scales of Justice.